Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss the ALS or the Alternative Learning System. So it is a non-formal education program under the DepEd that provides literacy and continuing education for Filipinos who cannot access or complete formal schooling. So it is a special education program for Filipino. So it gives them a second chance to learn and earn diplomas. So in ALS, there are two main programs. So the first one is the Basic Literacy Program or BLP. So this is for people who cannot read, write, or do basic math. Again, the Basic Literacy Program, it is for those people who cannot read, write, or do basic math. And for the second one is the Accreditation and Equivalency or A&E program. So this is for learners who want to finish elementary or high school outside the regular school system. So this is for who already possess basic literacy skills but they want to complete elementary or secondary education. So there are four key features of ALS. So the first one is the modular learning. So this is learners study using printed modules or their own piece. So the second one is the community learning centers or CLCS. It is for local places where all sessions are held. And the third one is the mobile teachers. So educators who travel to reach learners in remote areas. And the last one is aligned with K to 12 program. So these lessons follow the same standards as regular schools. They have also six learning strands. So the first one is communication skills. The second one is the scientific and critical thinking. The third one is the mathematical and problem solving. Then life and career skills and understanding the self and the society. So what are the goals of ALS? So the goals of ALS are to provide equal access to basic education for all Filipinos, especially out-of-school youth and adults. It also develops functional literacy and life skills that promote self-reliance and productivity. The ALS also offer a second chance to those who did not finish elementary or high school through the A&E test. Also support lifelong learning and encourage participation in civic, economic, and cultural life.